Depositing USDC in Justmarkets is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you need to have a Justmarkets account and a digital wallet that supports USDC. If you don't have a Justmarkets account, create one by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the deposit section. Here you will see a list of available deposit options, including USDC. Click on USDC to initiate the deposit process. You will be prompted to enter the amount of USDC you want to deposit and the network you want to use. Make sure to select the correct network, as using the wrong network can result in lost funds. After entering the amount and selecting the network, you will be provided with a deposit address. This address is unique to your Justmarkets account and should be used to send USDC from your digital wallet. Copy the deposit address and open your digital wallet. Navigate to the Send section and paste the deposit address. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, making sure it matches the amount you entered on the Justmarkets platform. Before confirming the transaction, double-check that the deposit address and amount are correct. Once you have verified the information, confirm the transaction. The USDC will be transferred from your digital wallet to your Justmarkets account. Depending on the network congestion, this process can take a few minutes to complete. Once the transaction is confirmed, the USDC will be credited to your Justmarkets account. You can then use the USDC to trade or invest in various assets available on the platform. It is essential to note that depositing USDC on Justmarkets may incur a small fee, which will be deducted from the deposited amount. To avoid any issues during the deposit process, make sure to follow the instructions carefully and double-check the information before confirming the transaction. If you encounter any problems or have questions, you can contact Justmarkets customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily deposit USDC in Justmarkets and start trading or investing in your preferred assets.